And what is up, everybody? It is your boy Farai. Thank you once again for tuning into another video. Hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be giving away some free vocal presets. As you can see right here, these are all sourced from some of the templates that we make. So if you'd like to support the channel, you can check out the web store. You can get yourself some vocal presets. They pretty much look like this, you know, really cool, ready to go. These are individual presets that you can use in your own products, the free ones. We also have courses and all sorts of fun things available if you want to learn how to actually piece together a project for yourself and get professional results. But yeah, man, this video will be on the free presets, so I'll pretty much show you how you can install them as well as where you can use them. We'll run through all of the different categories that we have for the presets. I've categorized them nicely for you in the kind of main sections that you can use. But yeah, most importantly, once you've downloaded them, you'll obviously receive this file with these files in them. What I would recommend you do is actually add them into your FL Studio directory. As you can see, I've already done that myself, and as you can see, I now have the ability to kind of, you know, drag and drop all of the different presets. So the way that you add a directory in FL Studio is you go to options, then you go to file settings, and then you can actually just you know, find wherever you've downloaded your files to. I would recommend, you know, adding in a custom presets folder for yourself, just so you can keep your computer tidy. Don't just leave it in your downloads folder. But again, you could, so for example, if you were in your downloads folder, you could just add that directory, and then you would obviously have the ability to do that. So yeah, man, you know, pretty cool. But yeah, let's kind of run through the different presets that we have. So as you can see, I categorized everything. We've got ad-lib presets. These you could add pretty much over here. So for example, you can see I've got this ad-lib. Let's just play this track, and then we'll be able to hear the ad-lib. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. So as you can see, you know, these would be categorized as an ad-lib. And all of these presets will be kind of similar to what you could get over here, right? So you can try that out. I've got BG vocals. Now these would be all sorts of doublers, so you can use these on any types of doublers. I just kind of kept it general so that you could, you know, make use of that. But a doubler would sound like something like this. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. So that's similar to a doubler chain, as you can see right there. Pretty simple, but really effective. So I've given you a whole bunch of different presets, different compression presets. So for example, if we were to drag and drop this onto our sound, let's do that real quick. So as you can see, it's in it's all stock presets as well. You could try this out. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. And then you can just pull this down as much as you'd want in order to compress it. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. And as you can see, we get more of a clamped sound. So really cool. We've also got a bunch of reverbs and things like that. I've got a stereo widener as well. Wait, I think I dragged the wrong one. Okay, yeah, that's an EQ. Double widen should be the stereo imager. Yeah, there you go. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. So as you can see, you can make your stuff wider. Really cool. You know, let you mess around with the rest. You've got a reverb as well. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. Say you want some gas, I got my... Ooh, really nice and sweet. But yeah, all sorts of cool things, man. You know, we've got a main vocal chain as well, or main vocal presets. So we've got some EQs, we've got some delays. Anything I've used as a percentage sign means that over here on the wet and dry, you should, for example, put that onto 4%. So if we just take this and put that there, obviously at 100%, it's not going to sound good. Right, we don't want it like that. So as you can see, 4%. So we just want to trim this down, and then in the top left corner you can see 4%. And then we've got this really nice kind of subtle delay. Obviously you can add as much as you want, but yeah, again, on the main vocal you don't want to add too much. So, you know, pretty cool. Got some vocal bus presets as well. Bus color 4 you will have to download, so just Google Air Windows bus color 4 if you do want to use this kind of additional saturation on your main vocal. So for example here, if we were to add this onto the main vocal and then enable that, you know, then we could don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. Yeah, say once a lot. As you can see, we can really stress that vocal and get a really nice saturated sound. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Main vocal, we got the master presets as well. So over here, you just want to, you know, throw these over. So we got a Fusion EQ. This is replicating one of the mastering devices we have in the studio. Really nice EQ. Got a nice kind of bass boosting EQ, make your mix sound a bit fuller. I see a lot of people have kind of thinned out mixes. So this is going to help with that. And then we've got a mastering style limiter as well over there. You know, then we got some SFX sends. So SFX sends are essentially all of these blue channels. So for those who follow the channel and know how we set up our templates, we have the ability to kind of send our main vocal to different effects sends or chains, right? So for example, as you can see in this session, we have our main vocal being sent to the delay, or the reverb, my bad. So you can hear that right here. Don't call my phone, I'm in the studio right now. Yes. So as you can see right there, we've got that. So what you want to do is you obviously just want to create, for example, a reverb channel, and then you want to set that up. You know, and you can do delays, we've got choruses, you know, flangers, really cool stuff that can really help you kind of enhance your mixes and make your main vocal sound a bit wider. For those who don't know how to do this, either watch some of my tutorials or check out the courses. I'll help you how to set that up. But yeah, other than that, man, you know, pretty simple and sweet. Don't want to make it too complicated. This is going to help with beginners. If you want to kind of, you know, get in tune with what we have going on, or you just want some cleaner sounding presets, this is the way to go. So yeah, man, download link in the description. Definitely make sure to smash that like button. Check out the web store if you want to support the channel, and I'll check out in the next one. Peace out.